It began with a flicker, just a faint anomaly in the data. Something cold, silent, and fast was cutting through our solar system in a way no object ever had before. Telescopes from Hawaii to South Africa picked it up first. Soon after, NASA confirmed it. A new intruder. Unmapped. Unbound by the usual rules of gravity. And most unsettling of all, it came from beyond our solar system. At first, astronomers assumed it was just another piece of space rock. But within hours, details emerged that didn't fit. Its velocity was too high. Its path, too precise. Its reflections, unnaturally bright. And when simulations traced its route backward, the truth chilled scientists. This thing had not come from the Kuiper belt, not from the Oort cloud, but from deep interstellar space. Perhaps even the galactic core. A traveler in the dark, journeying unseen for tens of thousands of years. And now, it had arrived at our doorstep. Officially named 3I, Atlas, it was detected between June 25 and June 29 by the Atlas Survey System, a network built to find hazardous asteroids before they surprise us. But this wasn't just another asteroid. Its speed, over 150,000 miles per hour, defied expectations. Its orbit refused to follow the usual gravitational loops. And unlike comets, it carried no visible tail. Something about it was different. To understand why this matters, we had to look back. Before 2017, no interstellar object had ever been confirmed. Then came Oumuamua with its bizarre elongated shape, lack of comet tail, and unexplained acceleration. In 2019, Borisov followed, a comet but faster and more volatile than anything we had catalogued. And now, 3I, Atlas, combining the brightness of Oumuamua with the strange trajectory of Borisov. 3 objects. In just a few years. For centuries, our skies were empty. Suddenly, they weren't. That's why the James Webb Space Telescope, built to study ancient galaxies, was pointed much closer toward this enigmatic visitor. And what it revealed raised more questions than answers. The brightness suggested a massive body, yet its size was small. The reflectivity looked more like metal than ice or stone. Infrared scans showed thermal signatures that seemed patterned, almost regulated, not chaotic like natural objects. Its spin even hinted at symmetry, as though it had been designed. Then came the most troubling discovery. The object was accelerating slightly. Not because of solar radiation. Not from cometary outgassing. No tail, no emissions. Just silent, controlled motion. And that left only one unsettling possibility: it was navigating. Some scientists began to whisper what few dared say aloud: this might not be a rock at all. It might be a probe. An autonomous messenger sent long ago, still carrying out a mission we can't yet comprehend. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb had once suggested that Oumuamua might have been artificial. Now, many were starting to wonder if Atlas could be the same, or worse, deliberate. Spectral analysis deepened the mystery. The surface didn't match any known asteroid composition. Certain signatures resembled advanced carbon structures, more common in engineered materials than geology. Electromagnetic fluctuations suggested internal layering, maybe even hollow regions. Nature doesn't usually produce this kind of order. If it wasn't natural, then someone, somewhere, built it. And then, silence. Agencies that once shared data, NASA, ESA, ISRO, suddenly went quiet. Updates slowed. Access to Webb's raw feeds tightened. Observers were reassigned. Documents redacted. It was no longer just science. It had become a matter of control. Because here's the truth. If the object is artificial, it means another civilization once built something to survive thousands of years in the deep void. If it's natural, then it's a phenomenon so advanced and rare that it mimics design itself. Either way, our understanding of the universe just broke. And that leads to the most chilling question of all. What if this wasn't meant to be random? What if it arrived precisely when our technology was advanced enough to notice it? What if this wasn't an accident, but a test? For billions of years, silence. No clear signals, no messengers. Then, as humanity begins reaching into space, as AI and quantum science rise, something appears. Silent. Reflective. Watching. Could it be that we are not the observers, but the observed? The James Webb Space Telescope was built to look back in time, to glimpse the first stars. Instead, it has uncovered something far closer, and perhaps far older. An object too perfect to dismiss, too strange to ignore, too timely to be coincidence. This isn't just another rock passing by. It's a mirror. A reminder of how much we still don't know. And maybe, how much someone else already does. The question isn't whether we've found something out there. The question is, has something already found us?